Good morning, dear students. Myself, Miss Deepti from Dip Scrollbug. In today's lecture, we are going to continue the reading of Geography Chapter 13, Life in Temperate Grassland, Prairies and the Vales. In previous lectures, we have read about the prairies, its location, its climate, vegetation, and life of people in prairies. Now in today's lecture we are going to continue the reading of temperate grassland, and another important grassland is the Wales. Wales is located in the South Africa. So let us read about the Wales, life in Wales. The temperate grassland in South Africa is called Wales. The word Wales has been diverted from the Dutch language and stand for fields. So we can say these are the vast plain area where the grass are grows. These grasslands are located in the eastern part of the plateau in the South Africa, whose latitude range is between 600 meter to 1000 meter. These grasslands are flanked by the Drakensberg mountain and in the east and Kalahari desert in the west. Now towards the north it is the high Wales, which is about 1600 meter high above the sea level. The with water stand, the ride passes through the middle of high Wales. The main river which drain the Vale regions are Orange, Vaal, Limpopo, etc. Some of them form waterfalls and rapids while descending the edge of the plateau. So in this paragraph we have read about the location of the Vale as well as the rivers falls in the Wales. In next paragraph we are going to read about the climate of Wales, what type of climate we found in the Wales. The regions enjoy moderate climate due to its location and influence of the Indian Ocean. As we can see in this map, they have shown this is the reason. This region is the Vale. It is Indian Ocean is near to the Vale, as well as Kalahari Desert is in the east west of part of the Wales. So Indian Ocean also affect the climate of the Wales as well as the Kalahari desert also influence the region. So due to the Indian Ocean, the climate is very moderate here, and the seasons are reverse of those of the Paris. Paris में जैसा मौसम है, पेरिस में समर वार्म मौसम है, समर सा कूलर एंड विंटर्स में थोड़ी सी गर्मी है, वेयर एज यहाँ पे सिचुएशन बिल्कुल ही अलग है. The average temperature range between 5 degree to 10 degree centigrade. Sometimes the night temperature fall below 0 degree centigrade. The summer months are short, warm and wet. The rainfall is low and most of it occur during the summer season. So as we can see, these Wales are located in this map. We can see that these Wales are located under the Tropic of Capricorn. Tropic of Capricorn is Tropic of Capricorn is below the Tropic of equator, from the equator. So here's opposite. Here will be the opposite of the everything of northern hemisphere. So it lies in the southern hemisphere of the Earth. So rainfall is season. The summer seasons are summer seasons are rainfall occur in this here in summer season. The rainfall decreases from south to the north and also from east to west. Drought are common in the Wales. तो बारिशें समर में होती हैं. जब बारिशें वेस्ट से इंडियन ओशन की तरफ से विंड्स जब चलती हैं तो यहाँ पर हैवी रेनफॉल करती है, वेयर एज जब से जैसे वो ऊपर की तरफ जाती है वो बारिश कम करती हैं। वेस्ट टू ईस्ट में भी यही रहता है, नॉर्थ टू साउथ में भी यही रहता है। बारिश की भी साउथ से ज्यादा, साउथ में ज्यादा बारिश होती है और नॉर्थ में कम बारिश होती है। सो नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू रीड अबाउट द वेजिटेशन फाउंड इन द Wales. The natural vegetation in the Wales region is controlled by the semi-arid climate condition. The vegetation cover in spears and consists mainly of short and long grasses. Some trees like acacia and marula are seen in this high elevation of the high Wales. The red grass grow mainly on lower aviation. The main wildlife is leopard, cheetahs, oryx and kudu. So as we can see that the climate of the Wales is different from the climate of the Paris, as well as here the grass which is grown in this Wales are very dry. They are not such nutritious as the grass in Paris. So that is why the wildlife is here is very limited, and these areas are not converted into grass into agricultural lands, because this land has the climatic condition is not good for the growing of a large amount of food grains here. So that is why this is the main difference between the Wales and the Paris. In next lecture we are going to read about the people in the Wales. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.